but I was dating a 4-H'er 40 years ago and married her. And every year I have
was
to buy
on
her
the
corn
fairgrounds.
It's about having a good flavored cornmeal batter to fry onto a good quality hot dog product to start with.
Yeah, I do like to try different things, so I'm going for this one today.
A nice breakfast with your pancakes and your maple syrup, and oh no, you got a little maple syrup on your bacon. You eat it anyway. Feels a little fun. Feels a little different. That's what I compare it to. I think that's why people love the maple bacon. The whipped cream kind of brings you in with the butter. It's a breakfast sundae.
That's a lot of flavors.
There's a lot of flavors?
Yeah. That's actually good.
That's very balanced.
That's actually not bad.
Yeah?
That's good.
I don't know, I actually kind of like how I've been doing this for about 23 years, so like a lot of people out here have become like my family, so it's kind of like a mini reunion when I come out. So I like that. I think that's my favorite part.
Delicious.
Oh yeah, it's really good.
Take a big old bite.
But there is something about the county fairs and the kettle corn. It just goes together.
Come on down for rides, your favorite fair foods, and some awesome live music.